Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 2500 HD. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Our part features a perforated plate that can be removed to allow the part to install around the nearby cab mount. If you wish to retain the mount, remove this plate at this time. Note, the plate on the inside of the frame is perforated, in the case that your frame requires additional bends for a tighter fit. Step 3. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Slide the part onto the frame. We recommend using C-clamps or similar to get this section as flush to the frame as possible. Hammer any gaps between the part and the frame to ensure all bends are made to contour the frame. Step 5. Begin welding the part to the frame around all edges. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done.